Intermittent fasting. You've probably heard it mentioned everywhere, from health podcasts to your coworker's lunch break. It gets tossed around like a magic trick for weight loss and superhuman focus. But with all the hype, there's a lot of confusion. Is it a miracle cure, or just a trendy way to feel hungry? Today, we're cutting through the noise. First, I'm going to bust the 3 biggest myths that stop people from even trying it. Then, I'll give you a clear step-by-step guide on how to actually do it safely and effectively without turning your life upside down. Let's start with myth number 1. Fasting is just starving yourself, and it will completely tank your metabolism. This is the most common fear, and it's understandable. The idea of intentionally not eating sounds a lot like deprivation. But the short answer is, nope. There's a huge difference between planned, short-term fasting and chronic starvation. In the short term, your metabolism doesn't crash. In fact, some studies suggest it can even get a slight boost. Here's what's happening. When you fast, your insulin levels drop significantly. This is a powerful signal for your body to stop storing fat and start burning it. At the same time, your nervous system releases a hormone called norepinephrine. This hormone tells your fat cells to break down body fat into fatty acids that can be used for energy. So, instead of slowing down, your body is actually shifting its fuel source. Your body taps into its stored energy. That's what it's there for. This process can also trigger something called autophagy, which is like a cellular cleanup crew that gets rid of old damaged cells. The metabolic shutdown fear comes from studies on long-term, severe calorie restriction or chronic undereating, not from a planned, structured fasting window where you still eat enough calories for your body's needs. Myth 2. As long as it fits inside your eating window, you can eat whatever you want and still get results. This one is tempting, but unfortunately, it's false. Intermittent fasting isn't a magical shield against poor nutrition. Calories still matter, and just as importantly, the quality of those calories matters. If you use your eating window as an excuse to slam ultra-processed snacks, sugary drinks, and fast food, you're undermining the whole process. You might feel sluggish, experience energy crashes, and you certainly won't be giving your body the nutrients it needs to thrive. Fasting won't save you from a bad diet. Instead, think of your eating window as your opportunity to nourish your body. Focus on whole foods, prioritize protein to keep you full and maintain muscle, fiber from vegetables and whole grains for gut health and satiety, healthy fats for hormone function, and a rainbow of colorful plants for essential vitamins and antioxidants. And of course, drink plenty of water throughout the day. And that brings us to myth 3. There's only one right way to do it. It's 16-8 or nothing. The 16-8 method, where you fast for 16 hours and eat within an 8-hour window, is definitely the most popular, but it's not a holy grail. Fasting is a flexible schedule tool, not a rigid religion. There are many ways to structure it. A 12-12 schedule, fasting for 12 hours and eating for 12, is a fantastic starting point. For many people, this just means cutting out late-night snacking. 14-10 is a great next step. Then there's 16-8. Some people even find success with a 5.2 approach, where you eat normally for 5 days a week and significantly reduce calories on 2 non-consecutive days. The best method is the one that fits your lifestyle, your social commitments, and your body's signals. It's the one you can repeat consistently without hating your life. Okay, myths busted. Now for the practical part. Here is your simple 6-step guide to getting started. Step 1. Pick an easy on-ramp. Don't jump straight into a 20-hour fast on day 1. That's a recipe for failure. Start with a 12-12 schedule this week. That could be as simple as finishing dinner by 8 p.m. and having breakfast at 8 a.m. If that feels fine, try 14-10 next week. Then, if you're comfortable, you can move to 16.8. Gradual progression is key. No hero mode on day 1. Step 2. Hydrate, hydrate, hydrate. During your fasting window, you can and should drink plenty of zero-calorie fluids. This is crucial for managing hunger and staying energized. Plain water, sparkling water, black coffee, and plain herbal tea are all excellent choices. If you feel headachy or fatigued, especially in the beginning, it might be a sign of electrolyte loss. Add a tiny pinch of high-quality sea salt or a sugar-free electrolyte powder to your water. This can make a huge difference. Step 3. Anchor your meals with protein and fiber. When your eating window opens, make your first meal count. This sets the tone for the rest of your day. Think eggs and avocado, salmon with roasted veggies, or Greek yogurt with nuts and berries. These meals are satisfying and provide slow-release energy, which helps prevent cravings later. Break your fast gently. Avoid starting with a sugar bomb like a pastry or sugary cereal, which will spike your insulin and leave you hungry again in an hour. Step 4. Train smart. You can absolutely exercise while fasting, but it helps to align your workouts with your eating schedule. Low-intensity activities like walks, yoga, or light cardio are generally fine to do anytime, even deep into a fast. For more demanding workouts like heavy lifting or high-intensity interval training, try to schedule them just before or during your eating window. This ensures you have fuel for performance and nutrients available for recovery right after. Step 5. Watch your body's signals. This is not a test of willpower. Your body will give you feedback. If you consistently feel dizzy, irritable, ravenous, or find yourself binging the moment your eating window opens, that's a sign to adjust. Don't be afraid to shorten the fast, increase your calories, or pause the plan entirely. This practice should ultimately make your life simpler and improve your well-being, not make you miserable. And finally, Step 6. Track your progress for 2 weeks. Don't just focus on the scale. Keep a simple log of a few key metrics: your sleep quality, your daily energy levels, your workout performance, and maybe your waist measurement. After 2 weeks, review your notes. Are things trending in a positive direction? Do you feel better? If so, great, keep it up. If not, it's time to adjust your window, look at your food quality, or decide if this is even the right tool for you right now. Remember, intermittent fasting isn't magic. It's just a structured break from eating that can be a powerful tool for some people. Use it to make good choices easier, listen to your body, and keep the rest simple.